In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox content not accessible error. So to do this, you need to go ahead and open up Roblox on either a mobile device or on the web browser. So for this video, I'm going to be working with the Roblox app. Then once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and press where it does say more. From here, scroll down until you see settings. Press on the gear icon. Then go ahead and select on privacy and content restrictions. Then you want to go ahead and select on content maturity. From here, you're able to go ahead and choose a content maturity level for your account. So I personally recommend that you guys actually turn it up all the way to moderate. However, if you set it to restricted, then you will need to go ahead and actually include verification of your ID. So please keep that in mind before you actually select on restricted. But if you select on restricted, you're able to get access to basically every single Roblox experience. Alternatively, what you guys could also do is go over here to where it does say account info, and you want to make sure that either your email address or your phone number are verified. Either one of those should get the job done. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.